Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, third case in construction of triangles is when measurement of two angles and included side is given. Then how we will construct the triangle? It means if measurement of two angles is given and included side means that we will draw the side, one side which is given as a base, and on the both ends of the triangle we will draw the angle. For example, here the length of side AB is given, which we will draw as a base, and at vertex A we will draw the angle of 75 degree, and at vertex B we will draw the angle of 45 degree. Where these two angles will meet, that will be the point C. So let us start. First of all, we will draw the AB side as a base. Length of AB is 3.6 centimeter. This is 3.6 point and till 0. So this is the side AB, A and B of length 3.6 centimeter. Now at point A we will draw the angle of 75 degree, which we have been learned. So we will draw the all arcs of angle of 75 degree. So let us start. Open the compass a little without any measurement with the scale and put the center of compass at point A. Draw the arc. This is first arc. Now where this arc is touching the horizontal line, put the center of the compass at that point and draw the arc which will cut the previous arc. This is the arc of 60 degree. Now put the center at the point of 60 degree and draw the third arc on the first arc. I am adjusting the compass. This is the arc of 120 degree. Now I will bisect the 60 and 120 to get the point of 90 degree. Enhance the length of third arc and at the point of 120 degree put the center of the compass and intersect the last arc. This is the point of 90 degree. This is the point of 90 degree. Now join this point and point A and mark here. I am joining point A and the point of arcs of 90 degree, and I will just mark on the first arc. This is the point of 90 degree. Now student, I have 2 points. This point is of 90 degree and this point is of 60 degree. I will bisect these 2 points to get the angle of 75 degree. Now put the center of the compass at the point of 60 degree and draw the arc. Now put the center of the compass at the point of 90 degree and intersect this arc. Now with the scale join this point. This will be of 75 degree with the A. This is the procedure of bisecting. This is the angle of 75 degree. This is the angle of 75 degree. Now second angle is of 45 degree. at point B. At point B, I will draw the angle of 45 degree. Open the compass a little without any measurement and draw an arc. Students, I am drawing all the arcs of construction of 90-degree angle. Now put the center of the compass where the first arc and the horizontal line is intersecting and draw the arc which intersect the first arc. This is of 60 degree. Now put the center at the point of 60 degree and intersect with the arc. This is the arc of 120 degree. Now I will bisect 120 and 60 to get the 90. I am enhancing the arc of 120 degree, and at the place of 120 degree I will put the center of the compass and intersect the last arc. These two arcs are joining each other at 90 degree. Now join this point and this point B with the scale and just mark here. Now I will bisect the 90 degree. This is the point of 90 degree. Now put the center here at the point of 90 degree. I am opening the compass a little more. I have drawn an arc with the center at 90 degree. Now put the center at the horizontal line and intersect the angle of 90 degree. This is the bisection of 90 degree. Now join this point and B to get the angle of 45 degree. And produce a line which is touching the second line or angle of 75 degree. So I got the point C. So this is how the procedure, that if measurement of two angles and included side is given, then how we will construct the triangle. I am telling you again briefly. First of all, draw the side, included side as base, then draw any of these two angles at any of the place where these alphabets are given. For example, at angle A, at point A, you want to draw the angle of 75 degree, or draw it first, or you can draw at point B the angle of 45 degree, whichever you can draw first. First we have drawn the angle of 75 degree at point A, and then we drawn the angle of 45 degree at point B. Where these two angles will meet, that will be the point C, and we will get a triangle.